How to create an invoice in Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back yet another tutorial regarding Canva. And in this tutorial, we are going to be creating our very own invoice, and we're going to be making it with our own resources, our own imagination, whatever design we want, we're going to put it in, and we're going to put our creativity to the test. And it's very simple, it's very easy, because we're going to be using Canva, and we're all familiar with how easy Canva really is. So we're just going to get right into it. So we're going to go to canva.com. Now once we're here on canva.com, what we're going to need to do is go on search your content on Canva. Now if you're not familiar with Canva, make sure to check video of mine in which I give a brief tutorial on Canva, and I have explained on how Canva really works, the basics of it in the easiest steps possible. So please go and make sure to check that out. It's a very simple guide and you're going to learn very thoroughly. So once you've learned on that and you're going to realize how easy the interface of Canva is, you're going to come here and you're going to write invoice. Now once you write invoice, it gives you different templates. Now it can either be a freelance invoice or a normal invoice. So we're just going to go on the normal invoice, and once we go on that, we're going to go ahead and see all of these templates regarding invoices. Now you can either use any single one of these templates. For example, if you don't have a lot of time on your hand, or if you don't want to create one by yourself, you can just go ahead and click on any single one of these templates, whatever you think is best. Now, obviously, there are the pro package ones and the paid ones. And if you don't want to spend money, you can just use these free ones. They won't have anything on the bottom right. So just go ahead and click on them. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. This looks pretty neat and basic. So I'm just going to go on that. And once we're over there, we're just going to mess around with it. For example, we're going to type in our invoice number. For example, if our invoice number is 24, we're going to write that. Build to, we're going to write in the company, for example, KFC. Pay to, we're going to write the person name, for example, John Leahy. We're going to put in his or her address. We're going to put in the bank we want to pay to. Then we're going to put in the account name. We're going to put in the BSB, the account number, and that is where we're going to put in the resources and information we have. So in the description, we're going to put in the things that we're charging them for example, content plan, copywriting, website design, etc. We're going to put in the rate per hour. We're going to put in the hours, so $50 per hour for 4 hours. So 50 into 4, that's $200. So we're just going to make the final amount. And if there's any discount, we're going to put that in. We're going to put the total payout. And then we're just going to put a small disclosure, like payment is required within 14 business days of invoice date. Please send remittance to hello@reallyGreatSite.com. And then thank you for your business. So this is a basic invoice. If you just want to use this, you're just going to go on share, download. If it's a digital invoice that you're going to be using like online, if you're going to send someone online, then just download it as a PNG. But if you're going to get it printed out, then you need to use the PDF print and then just download it. So that's how simple it is. But this is if you don't want to create your very own template. If you want to create it out from scratch with your own creativity and design, you're going to come back here, click on create a blank invoice. Now what this does is it gives us a blank canvas. Now on this blank canvas, you have the freedom to create whatever you'd like. And if you want to, you can take inspiration from any one of these invoices. So just add it down here just for the inspiration. For example, you like this logo a lot, so you're just going to copy it, come here, paste it. It's going to paste it on the same position as down there. You're going to copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here. Now you're going to change the name, for example, 98. And you're going to go on text. You're going to go to any one of these fonts that you like. You're going to write them here. Then you're going to write your company name, for example. So that's the company name I want. Then I'm going to just set it down here. I'm going to lower the font because obviously, yeah, here we go. We can make it look like that. Then what else you can do is we're going to go on templates again, and we can see even more things that we can add. For example, I like this a lot now. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy this layout. I'm going to copy it, come up here. I'm going to paste it. Once I do that, I can mess around with the colors. For example, I want it to be yellow. I want it to be burgundy. I want it to be red. So I think this looked good. Yeah, we're going to keep it in that. And then we're just going to change our prices or whatever we want. Then we can check out even more templates that we want to take our ideas from. And we're going to go here. For example, this gives off a very great look. So we're just going to click on this, do that. We're going to set it right here, bring it down, set it here. And look at that. Now, if I want to change the color, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go on black. And I know this invoice looks really empty up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this template. I'm gonna come back here. Which design did I like? Yeah, we're just gonna go on any one which has a good bottom, and I'm gonna click on this one, add as new page. And once we do that, I'm just gonna delete this page because I don't need it. Once we do that, we're just gonna go and select bottom. Once that is done, I'm going to copy. We're going to select the bottom. We're going to select the top. So once we do that, it's going to copy all of this. Copy. I'm going to come here and I'm going to paste it. And what I'm going to do, so I'm going to just make it smaller so it doesn't look off. All of that is done. It's going to delete that. Take this, bring it here. I'm going to take this, bring it here. So that's basically about it. So this is how you can make your very own invoice, and you can just mess around with it, make it creative. You can even go on elements. You can write whatever's related to your work. Take that. You can put it, you can just click on that, bring it right here. And if you just don't want to make it that prominent, you can just make it a bit transparent. And there we go. And you can mess around with a lot of these. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. And that is how you can make your very own invoice. So yeah, that's how easy it is. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any issues or problems, do let me know down in the comments, and I'll help you out with any issue or problem. If you want any other videos from me regarding this topic or regarding Canva, let me know that as well, and I will get back to you ASAP. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel because that helps me a lot. Share this video with as many people as you can, your friends or your loved ones or someone who would want some content like this, and just leave a nice comment if you liked the video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all have a great and amazing day, and that was all from me. Goodbye.